To refill your windshield washer fluid, the first thing you want to do is locate the washer fluid tank. As you can see, it's indicated by this cap here, which has a picture of a windshield and fluid spraying out of it. This is the cap that you're going to be opening up and pouring in your washer fluid. We will be using an all-season windshield washer fluid. We are choosing this because we want to make sure that it's not going to freeze when we spray it on our windshield since we live in a colder climate. But depending on your climate, you can use a variety of different windshield washer fluids. I'll be leaving a link in the description for a similar product. With our washer fluid selected, we're now going to pour this into the tank that was indicated by the washer fluid cap. With the washer fluid, feel free to fill it all the way up to the top. You can look down to see where your level is at, but there is no harm in filling it completely to the top. Once you're done, go ahead, take that cap and just push it back and lock it into place. And that is how you refill your windshield washer fluid. Thanks for watching.